Have you ever held a dried coconut and wondered if there's anything useful you can still do with it? What if I told you that this simple, rustic coconut shell can grow fresh, long, and organic green onions over and over again without a single pinch of soil? Yes, you heard that right. This dried coconut you usually throw away can become a tiny natural garden that sits right on your kitchen counter and gives you endless spring onions. It sounds almost too good to be true, but today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Imagine walking into your kitchen, picking up this coconut bowl, and simply cutting fresh green onion leaves whenever you need them for omelets, soups, biryani, or garnishing your dishes. No smell, no insects, no mud, just clean hydroponic style growth, using something nature already gave us. And the best part, green onions grow extremely fast. Within just a few days, you will see new leaves popping out, and in less than a week, you'll have long green tops ready to harvest. So before you throw away that old coconut, watch this video. It might become your favorite growing method ever. Why coconut plus green onions work perfectly. Welcome to Green Answers. Today we're going to explore an idea that is simple, creative, and eco-friendly. Dried coconut shells are usually waste, but in reality, they are beautiful natural containers with strong fibers, a sturdy structure, and amazing water-holding capacity. Because they are antifungal by nature, they reduce the chances of root rot and help the plant breathe better. Isi-Lai Coconut Shell Hydroponics, K-Lai Perfect Choice Ban Jota High. Green onions, on the other hand, are one of the easiest vegetables to regrow from their bulbs. Whenever you buy them from the market, you always get the white bulb portion. Most people cut it and throw it away, but that bulb is actually a mini storage unit filled with nutrients. It automatically pushes out new leaves as soon as it touches water. And when you combine this naturally growing vegetable with the naturally shaped coconut shell, it creates a zero-maintenance indoor growing setup. In today's video, I will guide you through every step: how to prepare the coconut, how to clean the bulbs, the perfect water level, lighting, care, harvesting, and even troubleshooting. By the end, you'll realize you don't need soil or pots to grow food, just creativity. Preparing the dried coconut shell, let's begin with the most important part. Preparing your dried coconut shell. You can use any old dried coconut whole, cracked, or in two halves. If yours is still filled with dried coconut meat, simply scrape it out using a spoon or a small knife. Make sure to clean the inside properly so no old residue stays behind. Rinse it with warm water and scrub the inner walls gently. Coconut shells are naturally tough and water-resistant, so they make an ideal reusable container. If your coconut shell has uneven edges, trim them with a knife to make the top wider and give more space for the onion bulbs. Some people like adding a small drainage hole at the bottom, but for green onions, we don't need drainage because they grow in water, not soil. Still, if you want, you can make a tiny hole to prevent stagnant water smell. Once your coconut shell is clean and ready, wipe it dry. Notice how naturally beautiful it looks, almost like a handcrafted ball. This eco-friendly container not only works well for growing, but also looks amazing on kitchen counters or window shelves. Now your coconut planter is fully ready for planting green onion bulbs. Preparing the green onion bulbs. Abibot Cart Hain Green Onion Bulbs Key. These bulbs are the heart of the entire process. Take fresh spring onions from your kitchen or from the market. Cut off the green leafy parts for your cooking and retain the white bulb portion with about 1 to 2 inches of base. Make sure the roots are still attached. If the roots are muddy, rinse them gently under water. Choose firm, fresh, and healthy bulbs. Avoid bulbs that feel soft, slimy, or smell bad because they won't regrow properly. If some roots look brown or long, you can trim them lightly to promote new fresh growth. Now, place all the bulbs on a plate and let them air dry for 10 minutes. This reduces the chance of bacterial growth when you put them in the coconut. The amazing thing about these bulbs is that they store nutrients within, so even if they look small, they can sprout new leaves quickly. Even bulbs without much green will regrow if the roots are healthy. This simple preparation makes your bulbs ready for the coconut planter. In just a moment, we will set them inside the coconut shell and start the growing process. Setting up the coconut planter with bulbs approximately 200 work. Take your cleaned coconut shell and place it on a stable surface. Now, gently position the green onion bulbs inside the shell. Arrange them close together so they stay upright. If your coconut shell has a wider opening, you can place 6 to 12 bulbs easily, depending on its size. Now comes the most crucial step, adding water. Pour clean water into the coconut shell slowly until the roots are fully submerged. But the bulb is only touching the water, not drowning in it. The correct water level is essential. If the entire bulb sits under water, it may start rotting. Only the root portion should stay wet.